3 ways to enhance your eyes using eyeliner. The first technique that we'll be doing is tight lining. This is the easiest way to define your eyes and make your eyelashes appear thicker. The first thing that we're going to do is to curl our lashes. So you're going to take your eyelash curler. You want to ensure that it's sanitized because it will come in contact with your eyes. So you're going to open your eyelash curler, ensure that you get all your lashes inside. Right here, open it, close it, hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you're going to release. And you're going to do the same for the other eye. Open, close, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Release. So now that it's curled, next thing that we're going to do is we're going to line the upper lash line. But before we do that, we want to ensure that the eyeliner is sanitized prior to using it, because we don't want to have any eye infection or anything like that. So you want to ensure that it's sanitized. Just give it a few minutes to dry. Then we're going to place a finger at the center of your upper eyelid, lift it, and we're going to line so what you want to do is to get between the lashes. With it you can intensify it doing that, and just take your time doing it in sections. If you find that your eye getting watery, you can just stop, relax the eye, and then you go again doing it in sections. Going between the So can you see it? This eye looks more defined compared to the other eye, and the lashes look thicker also. So let's move on to the next step. We're going to do the lower lashes now. So let's go. Next, we're going to set it with translucent powder. You can use any powder to set it. You can use a black eyeshadow powder if you want to intensify the color, or you can use a translucent powder. This will prevent it from moving around under the eye. So I'm going to take my Huda Beauty loose powder and set it. So we're setting it. So this is going to prevent it from moving around. So as you can see, with each step, it's defining and enhancing the eyes. Next, we're going to apply mascara. I'm going to use the MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash. MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash Mascara. I like this mascara because the wand is very small. It's easy to work with, especially on days when you're in a hurry. So I'm going to take it and apply both to the top and the bottom lash. So I'm going to tilt my head a little bit backwards and go from the root of the lash up, out, root, out, root, out. So tilting your head will prevent you from messing up your eyelid. And then we're going to twist it and take it out. I'm just going to close it and go back in, and repeat the same step for the inner section. Twist it. twist it, take it out. And if you have any mess, you can always clean it up with a cotton swab and micellar water, or you can just smudge it out. Next, we're going to do the same for the lower lashes. So can you see the difference with the eye on the left compared to the eye on the right? It's more defined. The lashes look thicker, even more since we have applied mascara. And this is just a great way to enhance your eyes if you don't want to do a lot or wear a lot of eye makeup. And it's perfect for an everyday look. It's coming together nicely. And you can just keep on going with this mascara if you want to add more volume, if you want to get the lashes to look thicker, longer, you just keep going. But I'm going to stop right here. And if you have any fallout with mascara, you always want to ensure if you have any fallout, meaning that it messes up your upper eyelid, you want to give it some time to dry, give the mascara some time to dry, and then you use a spoolie brush and you comb through that section. So now we're going to take the spoolie and just comb through the section. Beauty sponge and just damp on it. Just dab it on the section. And this is what it's looking like. And if you find that your eyelash clumping from the mascara, you can use a clean spoolie brush and just comb through it. This is what everything is looking like with both eyes. Now that we have completed tight lining, the next step is using eyeshadow as your eyeliner. So I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the deepest shade. And to create the line, I will be using an angled brush. This is the MAC angled brush, and we're going in the deepest shade right here on our brush, and we're going to take it right at the corner of the upper eyelid and press it right there. We're just going to go and just create a small line. Usually when doing this step, it's best to do it first before you apply your mascara, so that you're not moving the lashes and causing any clump. But for demonstration purpose, we are going to do it while we have mascara on our lashes. You can make it as thick as you want it, and when you reach the end, you press and pull, press and pull. And we're going to stop the line there, and then we're going to create a triangle by placing the brush right here and taking it towards the center of the eyelid. And this is how you create a wing using eyeshadow. You can use a black eyeshadow, a brown eyeshadow, any color you want, and do it. And to sharpen it, you can use concealer to sharpen it if you make any error right here. Just apply concealer to brighten. And just take a brush and blend it out, and this will sharpen the wing. The next technique is to use an eyeliner to create a wing. So I'm just going to clean up this line right here. This line right here. So first we're going to place the pen on our lash line and follow the natural and you're just going to slide it along your lash line like this until you reach the end. If you don't have a straight line, it's very difficult for you to create a wing. You can use a spatula like this. If you have any object with a straight side like a spatula, you can place it at the side of your eye right here and draw the line. Because we want a lifted eye, so we're going to place it right here. Ensure that it's going in an upward direction where it's going to lift the eye, because one of the purposes of creating a wing is to elongate or lift the eye. You can do one where you elongate the eye, and you can also do it to lift the eyes. So we want it to lift the eyes. We're going to place the dots right here, and we're going to draw the line to meet it. And then you're going to take it down. While looking straight into your mirror, you're going to take that line from here down to the center. Like that, and that's a triangle that we created, that small triangle. Let's see, but if you have a problem doing the line, you can always use a straight step, or you can use tape. You can use a tape and you just follow it. So, like that. And then you just take it from the tip right here all the way towards the center. And like I was saying before, you can always use your concealer at the corners, just a small amount to lift the area and sharpen the wing. Blend it out. And do you see how lifted the eyes look? So using this method, it can help you to lift your eyes. I'm going to set it with powder. this is what everything is looking like. 3 ways to enhance your eyes using eyeliner. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more makeup tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.